Welcome. In this video I will basically explain whether you can record vlogs on Mission 1 camera. So while this camera is not the obvious option for vloggers, you can still record a vlog since this camera has the frontal view with two integrated microphones, and of course the camera. We have one microphone on the back side of it, and yeah, if you simply enable the regular video mode by swiping to the right and switching to video, you'll be able to attach a gimbal or rather the mount to your camera, like Shortly Fluid Pro AI gimbal, or also chesty or headstrap or bite mount in order to record POV style clips. Then also you can also attach the media mode for crisp voice capture and attach some light modes like Lit Hero to your camera and start recording your vlog videos with it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.